Okay, are we recording it? Let's go this way. Okay, there it is, like that. Like that. Now let's go like this.
What's
Oops.
this guy want to use it for, do you know?
I don't know. This one. I'm putting this on. Oops, I got you in there. I'll edit you out. I'm putting this on to sell it. I've got a few of them. Okay, let's do this. There you go. Now we're cooking. Yeah, we got power. Just it. Pretty quiet, huh? Not too bad. Nice little unit. Runs like a charm. Okay.